Hello everyone, welcome back to Chapter 9, Focus Words. We just looked at a moment ago that the stressed content word in each thought group, if you have more than one stressed content word, more than one content word in a thought group, we looked at the fact that generally the last content word in each thought group is the one that's the focus word. Right? So we looked at that in terms of recognition of the focus word. Now we're going to look at the structure words after focus words. What do we do with those structure words that directly follow, come after focus words? Take a look at this example here on page 82. Don't forget to mail the card to John. I already sent it to him. Don't forget to mail the card to John. I already sent it to him. It's really important, especially when you have focus words that come very close to one another directly after each thought group, and you have function words in between, or structure words, as we call them, in between. It's really important to de-emphasize, right? To unstress those structure words so that it's easier to recognize, right, that focus word. If the listener hears a jump in pitch, right, if you emphasize those function words on accident, the focus word might get lost, right? It might be difficult to identify. So really important that we de-emphasize, we unstress the syllables of the structure words that come directly after the focus word in a thought group. So let's do a little practice together. Exercise 3 on page 82. Take a look at the question for part A and the response for part B, and notice how directly after the focus word that the function word is unstressed or unemphasized. All right, so let's take a look at number 1. Guess what? Eve is moving to Seoul. I know. I'm going to miss her. Miss her. Notice how her isn't pronounced or stressed fully. It's de-emphasized, right? It's unstressed because it's a structure word. So underline what you believe is the last content word in each thought group. Underline it and then practice emphasizing it, and concurrently de-emphasize the structure words that come immediately after the function word that you've identified. Let's do number 2 together. Why did you take a cab? Why did you take a cab? Because I missed the train. Because I missed the last train. Because I missed the last train. Cab is our focus word. Last train could both be content words. If I want to focus on one of those, maybe last, right? Missed is another content word, but which one is the last content word? I would say last. Look, Bay's here. Yeah, I'm going to lunch with him. Bay's here is not a content word, it's a function word indicating location. Going to lunch with him. Going is a content word, and the last content word in this thought group is lunch. With him is a preposition and a indirect object pronoun or direct object pronoun, one of those two, both of which are function words and are not emphasized. What do you hear from Jing? Jing, I haven't been able to reach her. I haven't been able to reach her. Reach is the focus word, the last content word in that thought group. Let's meet in front of the bank. Great, I'll be there at 2. Bank, 2. What's wrong with your soup? There's a bug in it. Soup, bug. In, preposition. It, subject pronoun. Those are both function words or structure words. I'm going to need Peter's key. Okay, I'll get it from him. Key, get. It, from him, pronoun, preposition, indirect object pronoun. All of those structure words. Where is Miriam's book? It was in her hand. Book, hand. How was the test? I did better than I thought I would. Test, better, thought. Thought is the last content word in the thought group there, and better for that thought group. I is subject pronoun, would is a helping verb, and those are both structure words. Those are de-emphasized structure words, not stressed. And the last one, number 10, I don't have any cash. I don't either. We'd better get some. Cash, either, get. Some is, I think if we were to look at it, I can't really think of the part of speech. Article, if I'm not mistaken, an indefinite article, and that is also a structure word, unemphasized. So the rule is that structure words in general, but in particular, especially after focus words, are de-emphasized so that it's easier to follow and identify the focus word in each thought group.